Hi everybody, JT here, back with the video of EspritCAM today. This video will be my first video of EspritCAM. I will be show you the basic of programming in this software, and this one just a 3-axis program, so it will be quick and easy, I think, because it's been a while. I have not make any program using this software, and last 2-3 years ago I was using it to make program for the development. I was running that machine for like a year and a half or something like that, and it different with you know this, so I will make some mistakes probably, but we will figure it out together and we'll see. Just to the heads up, I was making this program before the recording of this video, so I don't spend a lot of time to show you what my mistakes was. All right, so let's get to this. So basic of interface, as you can see here, let's move this one up so I can see it. There you go. All right, so this is the basic of interface. I pull this one out. This is where most of this will be all of the toolpaths will show here, and it work on XYZ work coordinate. The same with this one. I have to use this one and this one. On the right hand down here is all the layers. Why I have to create a lot of layers, I don't know other people, but for me, when I make the program, I want two paths will stay in two paths layer, right? And then stock, you can see here stock, you can see this is my stock. If I uncheck, it will hide it. This is the real part that we are going to make some program on. Geometry, I will put geometry in this, then two paths, of course, it will be the two paths only. All right, so down the right side, the left side here, I talk about this and go here, tooling. This is where you create tool for your program, right? I create some before already here, but let's just delete this and then I can show you real quick how to create an end mill. So just put the mouse in here, right click, new milling tool, end mill, right? And it will show up here, so you can put, let's say, I don't know, 5 flat end mill, right? And then fill this one out, that diameter, that flute length, length of cut, overall length, something like that. So it's fairly easy. Okay, I will show you how to create stock. I did this before, but let's delete it and then delete it. All right, and then create the stock for you to see. So turn the part on, right? And then stock turn on, and also make it active because you want to put that stock in that layer. So select the whole model, go in here. Yep. So this tab right here, and then you right click, create bounding solid. So this is your real dimension of the part, right? And then this is the stock. Make sure you check this so it add this one to the simulation when you render it. And then we want to add some stock per axis per side if you want to, but let's do this one real quick. All right, so if you hide it, it will go away. All right, so I think we are ready to make the program, right? So let's first is, oh, I want to turn this one on so I can see it. So that's XYZ there. Let's go to top view. Okay, so you can see it right there. X, Y, Z. All right, so let's face up first. Let's have to turn sub element on. Oh, how come? All right. Oh, okay. Highlight it. Okay. Now I'll go into solid mute traditional basic. So facing. This one probably fill up everything that from my previous, before I record the video. But I'll go through this so you can see how I did or what I did. Speed feed, of course, you put it in, you select the face mill, the tool, right? Strategy is zigzag, you can do climb or whatever it is, just pick it. 75% of the tool diameter because I want it overlap a little bit. I mean, you can do what, 80% or 90%, doesn't matter, but as long as you overlap a little bit so it clean up the face. And to depth because you want it right on 0, so it should be 0, and that's it. Okay, so that face. Oh, let's just talk about what we are going to make the program for this video. This will be just face off, reel this for hole, pocket this one out, and then contour outside. So you will know how to make program with reeling, face mill, contour, and pocket. That's a lot, right? Okay, next one will be drilling the hole. So select the hole, control. Okay, machine, traditional, reeling. Okay, so reel, you select the reel. This whole side 268, so 6 feet and speed, same thing, fill it out, drill. If you want drill just all the way down, if you want to pack, you just use the pack, first packs, and then after that, this is the depth of the hole, and it starts from 0, clear and full clearance. So every time it retract out, it retract to 0.3 full clearance. I think let's just try maybe initial clearance. Okay, let's try that and see. Okay, let's render and see what it looks first. Oh, that's good. Too high up for the retracting thing, so let's fix that. So let's do just the clearance. Okay, I think that should do it. Oh, because we didn't run the face mill first, so that's why. But it should be 100 above, right? Yeah, okay. All right, so that is for face and drill. Next one will be pocket. So with this model, the pocket here, the wall here, the taper, I think it's a 10-degree taper wall. So this video we just basically pocket this one out, basically like rough it out. So we will create a geometry for that. Okay, and go into what is this, auto chain. Okay, as you can see it, the table wall, so it's so up like that. So we need to fix this by def. I don't want it, so I want it stayed out there. Graph, see that technically I don't want it either, so it will be like that. And then highlight that chain and then do pocket. Same thing, select the tool you want, just the rough pass. So profit million, yes, I want to do profit million because like in EspritCAM this is more like volume mill, 2D volume mill. So I want to do that, but you can select whatever you want here, but I like this one because it's, work good with the, keep the two life longer. Total depth, that's where that chain is, that's where 0. Up here you can use this one to check it, right? So that's where it is. This kind of weird when I make the program for this. So when it start up there, it's a negative number, right? So it's kind of weird, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So rough, speed and feed. This is important. This is the step over. So if you want this much of the step over, you do that. If not, you can control it by do whatever that's on it, or you can just put in here something like that, and it will calculate by itself. Helical at the point, so we're gonna helical at the center of that. Everything else, minimum, maximum, or this maximum radius here, it should be a little bit smaller than the two radius. So it's a 382, so 1875. So that's a little bit, because if you put this one more than 1875, it will not clean in the center of that. So that's why I put 1.18. Everything else should be like easy there. Okay, let's render it and see. Face, drill, maybe we should just drill it, no packing, so it doesn't take a long time to render. Speed it up a little bit, huh? That's it. Okay, last one will be the contour outside, the same. So I have to create a geometry in Esprit, it called chain, right? Not that. Go to chain. Oop, that's kind of weird. Oh, okay. I think I know why. So let's fix it before we make the program dev. The same, like I don't want it. So it create a new work plan, which I don't want it here. So I'm gonna move, I'm gonna move that to there. As you can see, it create a new plan here. So after I switch back to XYZ, I want to delete this so it's not confusing me. All right. So with that fixed, now it's ready to make the program. Highlight it. Whatever you make the program on, make the tool pass on, just make sure you highlight that one. contour, flat end, middle, half end. It's the long one because it's like almost 4 inches. So everything out here, what important? Okay, just finish. If you want rough, and then you put something here. You want a little bit deeper, all right? That's where they start, and this is the step down. And right, so it cut from outside. If you choose left, the two paths will be inside. I tried already, so that's why you can see fairly easy. If you want deeper, and then you can make it more. Let's step down, right? Let's change this a little bit. Too much, too small. Let's do 20%. Yeah, there you go. Okay, let's render and see what it does. Let's fix the drill. So I don't want it pegged, so I just do drill all the way down. So it renders faster. And you can see that pocket, it's like volume mill in EspritCAM. There you go. So that's how you make program in Esprit. Fairly easy, right? Yeah, I know this, basic stuff. I don't know a lot. I'm not an advanced user of Esprit because I don't know a lot of this stuff, especially like file access. I have to figure it out maybe one day, show you how to make the program on every side, but for now just 3 axis. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you think it useful, comment it out there. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification so every time I got a new video you can see and watch it and learn together. All right, see you guys next time. Goodbye now.